Hey everyone, welcome back to Vital Fitness. Today, we're talking about something super important for men over 40. 7 muscle building mistakes you need to avoid. Have you ever felt like building muscle is getting harder as you get older? Or maybe you're not seeing the same results you used to? Stick around because mistake number 1 could completely change the way you think about fitness. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest tips and workouts. Let's get started. Mistake number 1. Thinking you can't build muscle after 40. Many people think muscle growth stops after a certain age, but that's not true. Studies show you can gain muscle at any age if you train the right way. So don't settle for average progress, push yourself and see amazing results. Mistake number 2, not eating enough protein. As we age, our bodies need more protein to build muscle. Try to eat 40 to 50 grams of protein with each meal to help your muscles grow and recover. Mistake number 3, doing less exercise. Many people do less as they get older, but research suggests that keeping up or even increasing your exercise can help you build muscle. Add more sets to your workouts to keep your muscles challenged. Mistake number 4, avoiding heavy weights. Some people are afraid of lifting heavy weights because they don't want to get injured, but lifting heavy with good form is important. It helps you get stronger without getting too tired from too many reps. Are you making any of these mistakes? Let me know in the comments. Mistake number 5, ignoring pain. Pain is your body's way of telling you something is wrong. Instead of pushing through, change your exercises. For example, if squats hurt your knees, try Bulgarian split squats. Listening to your body helps you stay injury-free and make steady progress. Mistake number 6, not having a plan. Going to the gym without a plan is like driving without a map. A structured plan helps you increase your weights or reps over time, which is key for muscle growth. If these tips are helpful, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. Mistake number 7, poor recovery. Recovery is even more important as you get older. Rest for at least 3 minutes between sets and make sure to give yourself 48 to 72 hours between workouts that target the same muscle group. Good sleep, nutrition, and rest are key to helping your muscles grow. And there you have it, the 7 muscle building mistakes men over 40 always make. Avoid these mistakes and you'll see better results and protect your body from injury. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out our other videos by clicking the link on the screen. See you next time on the same channel.